Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to draw Togepi from Pokemon. So first I'm going to start making the eyes. So the eye is basically an oval curving down and going back in. So that's an eye. I'm going to flip this over towards the right side. So curving down, going up and connecting with the rest of the eye. Now I'm going to start making the inside of the eye a curving line across like this, and same on the other side like this. Now I'm going to make another curving line across the eye just below the first line, and same on the other side, and color the portion in between the two lines like this. Now I'm going to start making the mouth. So for the mouth I'm going to first make a curving line in between the eyes like this. Then from the right side I'm going to curve down. And curve back up and join it with the rest of the body. Now I'm going to start making the wrinkles like this, and same on the other side. Now the cracks over the egg shell like this, a triangle, a right side, another triangle, and same on the left side. It has to be symmetrical in order to be perfect. Now I'm going to continue making the eggshell like this, a triangle, and same on the left side. Now I'm going to make a line like this, and same on the other end. That's the crack of the eggshell. Now I'm going to make a curve going inwards and upwards and start making the crown like this, a small curve, and same on the other end like this. Now in the right side I'm going to make a straight line going upwards and outwards, a long line that is like this, and same on the other end. I'm going to make a line going outwards and upwards like this. I'm going to extend the line on the right a little bit more. Yes. Now I'm going to curve the line downwards and make a triangle like this, and same on the other end. I'm just going to copy it to make it symmetrical just above the eye like this. Now I'm going to make the middle portion of the crown, so I'm going to curve the left side towards upwards and continue extending the right end upwards and take it and curve a little bit and join to the left side. Now I'm going to continue making the circle like this, and same on the other end. Now there are a little projections over this egg, so I'm going to make a triangle here, a small triangle here, and same on the other side like this. Yes. Now I'm going to start making the rest of the body, which is basically an eggshell. So curving downwards a little, then I'm going to make an inverted C. I'm now going to make an inverted C on the left side like this, and same on the other end, but it has to be a C on the right side like this. It's the space for the hands. Now I'm going to connect the C with the inverted C on the left side like this, and connect it with the rest of the body. Now I'm going to start making the hands. So on the left side I'm going to make a line going downwards and outwards and connect it with the other end, and I'm going to flip it over on the right side like this. I'm going to make the legs. So for the legs I'm going to make a slanting line going downwards and outwards like this and curve it inwards, and doing an overlap I'm going to connect it with the rest of the body, and I'm going to flip this over to the right side, downwards and outwards, doing an overlap and joining it with the rest of the body. Now I'm going to do some details on the eggshell. So I'm going to make a triangle. Now I'm going just curving sideways, now down, and connecting it with the rest like this. Now here I'm going to make a line upwards, now sideways and downwards and towards the body. Now another triangle inside the bigger triangle like this, and I'm going to make this one complete. Yes. Now I'm going to make another triangle, but this one has to be huge. Downwards, now upwards, and connect it with the rest of the triangle. Another triangle, keeping the line even. Keep the distance even between the two triangles. And the last triangle here, but this one's more like a square. Like this. And that's pretty much it. There you have it. There's Togepi from Pokemon. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.